What's up guys, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we're going to be talking about and clearing a wheel speed sensor code. So as you know, the ABS light will come on and your traction control light will come on, and it's been talked about a couple times, but we're going to go over how the best way to fix this issue is. So let's dive right on in. The first thing you need to do is get your keys, put it right back here in the ignition, turn it to where it's right before it starts. Then you take this awesome code reader. I picked it up from Amazon. This thing is killer. It reads ABS and it checks your check engine light stuff. So you plug it in right here and let it read. Okay, so after you plug it in, you want to make sure that you have this one. I got this from AutoZone, and the reason for it is it has a little ABS right there. So you press ABS, it reads it, boom, right there. Right rear wheel speed. 2, right rear wheel speed. Oh, that's a difficult word there. But yes, so we got to change our wheel speed sensors, which I just picked up. So I picked these up at CarQuest. I think it costs like 20 bucks. I went ahead and picked up 2 because I'm going to do both the rears. They're both pretty dirty. I already checked them. They're pretty dirty. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace both the rear, and hopefully that fixes our awesome problem. And if you haven't seen it before, I'm going to show you real quick. Right. Hopefully it'll zoom in. There we go. So as you can tell, the traction control and the ABS light is on, and we are going to fix that. So if you're watching this video, then you probably know that when this happens, it kind of kicks in your brakes and locks them up when you first start. And there's been a couple videos out there so far that have kind of addressed this issue, and some of them are just misleading. Like the whole you put the key in the switch and do it 3 times, that didn't work, at least not on my 2013. So I wanted to go ahead and make this video. The good thing about this is I did have this code reader already, and it's easy to pick up. It's just at AutoZone. It's just their cheap code reader, and it reads the ABS, which is great, and it reads my engine codes. If you have a Jeep, you definitely want to get one. It makes it a lot easier. You don't have to go to the dealership all the time and have them pull your codes, or AutoZone, which they'll do it, but it's way less hassle having it yourself. So anyways, enough talking. We're going to go ahead and get right into switching these wheel speed sensors out. So let's go. Alright, so to take these wheel speed sensors out, which is this little cord right here, I hope you can kind of see it. You can barely see it in the video, but there's an 8mm that's attached to this, and to pull it out you have to disconnect this, which mine are kind of gummed up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is just pull the sway bar link right here, get this out of the way, and then this will just slide out with the plug, and I'll be able to clean that up a little bit, get it a little bit more free. So let's do it. So to take these off, you simply push this red tab up, so it wasn't like the down position. You push that tab up, and then you should be able to pinch and pull this out. Sometimes they get stuck, and you kind of have to push this up with like a screwdriver or something. Kind of looks like that might be what I have to do, just to get this thing to actually come off of there. Pain in the ass, but let me go get some real quick. Alright, so let me begin by saying I don't suggest doing this, but the closest thing to me was a little Leatherman with a knife. So I'm going to kind of push this up with a knife, and then it should just pull right out. Should. Doesn't mean it's going to. There we go. Okay, there you go. It's out. So we can put the new one in now. Alright, so we push the new one in, snap the clip on. Now it's time to just put it right back on in. Same thing, you kind of got to wiggle it in there. Then once she's in, she'll slide right on in. There you go. And put it back together. Alright, so that went ahead and fixed the problem, and we tested it, so it looks to be good. Now we are going to test it on my way to work, and hopefully the code doesn't come back and everything ends up just fine. So make sure to subscribe, check out my other videos, and like always, y'all have a good day.